I went to Arrowtown as my first stop of the day and had a little look around. There's an old post office and plenty of shops. I decided to get a bite to eat from the shed, a toasty and some chips and a chocky shake. Then I went to the Skyline Gondola and this was really pretty. Going up the gondola, I don't even know if that's how you say it. Just look at those views, that is amazing. And then I'm going on the luge. So yeah, I'm going to try and see if I can get my GoPro attached, but wow, fuck, look at that. So I actually had like an unlimited pass for like 3 days and I didn't end up using it again, but I really regret that and wish I did. It's very pretty. Nope, we don't have regrets for this trip. Pretty high up now. I think I see my car right there next to the bus. Wow, this is crazy. Alright, and then I headed to the luge. I had 3 rides for this one. Thank you. So we take this chair up. This is my second ride. I wasn't aware that you could actually take your GoPros and they take photos, so that's pretty cool. So I'll be buying the photos as well. Oh, a lot of construction here. You know what, I'm gonna try and fling it around. Look at that. So this is the second ride and then I've got one more ride. And then I am done here and I'm going to the shot over jet thing. That's if I've got time. Yeah, I've got plenty of time. Hello. Yeah. I'm gonna try and not let it fucking knock you over. That's the worst thing. So there were 2 tracks. You got dart and arrow, and I didn't realise, but I did dart again. So I got that dart again. Woo, that was a bit wide. This is down one. I wasn't prepared for that one again. Okay, so next time I'm going to go down arrow track. What's it smell like? Rotorua again. Alright, going on the last ride and we're going to go down the arrow track this time. Gotta remember not to fucking miss that turn. I keep missing it every time. Thank you. Alright, arrow track. Arrow track. Arrow track. Arrow track. Arrow track. Yeah. Ew. Damn, very windy. Okay. Another tunnel. Woo. Yeah, boy. And that was the lucky last one, peeps. Damn, I kind of wish I had more. Alrighty, and these are some of the photos. So there's actually a chip in the helmet and you scan that at the front desk and then you pay for the photos that you want. I thought these were pretty cool. Yeah, and then we went to jet boat tour ride Skippers, not shot over. So these were some of the views just before Skippers Road. It is the oldest road in New Zealand. So this was built in between the dates of 1983 and 1990. A lot of gold panning was in this valley. A lot of old pubs and shit like that. There were some remains. And then we went on the jet boat ride. This was by far the coolest part of the day. We got wet. Did a few little spins. I didn't get every spin because I actually wanted to take in the scenery and enjoy myself, but I did do a lot of recording, which kind of sucked. My arms were killing me after this, but definitely worth it. I think that's an old bridge that has been there since they were building the roads. Wasn't completely sure, but yeah, just look at the scenery. This was so fun. I would love to do this. There was a nice little waterfall here, so we slowed down for it so people could take photos, but also so we could see the other boat passing and get the front of the boat a little bit. But yeah, and then we headed the way that they came and then turned around. And yeah, this area, I don't know what it was, maybe the dark rocks, the clouds that were coming over. It was just, oh, I loved every bit of it. There's a spin. Woohoo! I fucking loved that so much. It was so fun. I actually found that the way through the valley, like when you start your trip before you head on your way back, you can see we're coming back, you got wetter on the way back, and I think it's just because he was flooring it and doing a lot of like side turns like this, and we'll just get splashed, as you can see. It was so fun though. Wouldn't change it for the world. So yeah, this was the name of the actual jet boat ride, not the shot over. That's the valley that we got to stop at and take a piss and shit, whatever the fuck you wanted to do. And then this is the scenery coming back. Absolutely stunning. And then yeah, I come back to the Driftway Holiday Park in Queenstown where I was staying for the rest of the week. And that was it for day 20, peeps.